Mountain National Park in Colorado feels like a machine built by nature itself, powerful, refined, and endlessly impressive the moment you step into it. From the first drive along Trail Ridge Road, you're surrounded by towering peaks, wide alpine valleys, and crisp mountain air that immediately sets the tone. This park doesn't ease into the experience. It delivers high performance right out of the gate, with elevations climbing above 12,000 feet and views that stretch for miles in every direction. In terms of performance, Rocky Mountain National Park excels in variety and livability. Whether you're a casual visitor enjoying scenic pullouts or an experienced hiker pushing into the backcountry, the park responds effortlessly. Over 350 miles of trails offer everything from gentle lakeside walks to demanding summit climbs like Long's Peak. Wildlife sightings, elk, moose, bighorn sheep, add another dynamic layer, showing how smoothly the ecosystem operates even under harsh alpine conditions. Seasonal changes act like different driving modes, with summer offering lush meadows and winter transforming the park into a snow-covered adventure zone for snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. The design elements of the park are where it truly stands out. Glacial carved valleys, jagged granite spires, and mirror-like alpine lakes feel intentionally sculpted, as if every angle was planned for maximum visual impact. Trail systems are well laid out and thoughtfully maintained, blending into the landscape without overpowering it. Historic lodges and visitor centers use rustic architecture that complements the surroundings, reinforcing the feeling that the park's design respects both function and beauty. One of the park's unique selling points is accessibility without compromise. Despite its rugged appearance, Rocky Mountain National Park is remarkably user-friendly. Scenic roads, clear signage, and well-equipped visitor centers make it easy for first-time visitors to enjoy, while still offering depth and challenge for those seeking more intense outdoor experiences. The park's location, just a short drive from Denver, adds to its appeal, making world-class alpine scenery available without a long or complicated journey. Overall, Rocky Mountain National Park delivers a balanced experience that blends raw power with thoughtful design and reliable performance. It's a destination that appeals equally to nature lovers, adventure seekers, photographers, and families, offering something new every time you return. Like a truly great build, it doesn't rely on gimmicks, just precision, durability, and timeless appeal that leave a lasting impression long after you've left the mountains behind.